Hello everyone and welcome to the yet another chapter in the series of integrations. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how we can access attachment data just with the help of the attachment URL itself. Sometimes when we talk about multiple different applications like Zendesk or Jira and few other applications which are available in the digital world, the attachment data via API calls is not always available in the encoded format, but is available in the form of a URL, and that URL is embedded with the token itself so that we can use that URL and are able to access the attachment directly. So let's take a look at one of the sample JSON response which I could get via an API call for a ticket from Zendesk. And the attachment data for Zendesk API calls is available within the comments section itself. So when you try to get comments via API calls for a particular ticket, you also get the attachments related to that ticket within the comments data. So within the comments, there's an array for attachments. And if you take a look here, the attachment JSON object is also available and file name is available. Along with the file name, there's a content URL. So this content URL is actually the URL of the attachment itself. So if I want, I can also open this URL directly in the browser window to check whether what is the attachment actually. So let me try to copy and open this in a browser tab. So if I enter, so this is the attachment which is present within that URL. Let's see how this works with the help of Postman. Are we able to get this kind of a data or something different? So this is the same attachment data, and I'm going to click on send. Let's see if there's anything in the body. Yes, I was able to get the file using the Postman as well. So now let's see how this can be achieved within Servicenow just to get the file using the URL itself. So I'm going to create a schedule job of type on demand. Get attachment via URL. Yay! And meanwhile, let me try to attach this file to an existing incident. Let's open this one, and is there an attachment on this ticket? No, not yet. So let's write a script over here. So I am going to call the REST message over here, and then I'm going to set my HTTP method as get and then I'm going to pass my attachment URL as the endpoint. I've already saved the attachment URL in a system property, so I'm going to refer that system property over here. Now what? I think we are done with what we needed to do. We just need to execute this REST message now. So also I'm going to call this function save response body as attachment. And there are going to be three parameters here. One is the table name. So let me hard code it for now as incident. And let's copy the sys of this incident. The second parameter would be the sys which of course, if we are doing in a customer environment, we need to create system properties to store these hard-coded values. And table name would be dynamic. And coming to the attachment name, let's try by, okay, let's just copy the same name from here. Since we are not dynamically bringing the data, let's hard code to see whether this works or not. Dot execute. I think this should work fine. Now if we need to get the print the response data, we can print that and things like that. Let's leave it for now. Let me save this schedule job and let's try to click on execute now and see how this works. So within this incident, I am able to see the file has come over, and this is pretty much it. This is how we can bring an attachment via API calls with the help of the attachment URL into ServiceNow. Thank you so much for watching.